On top of the many ways through which ThinQ enhances your lifestyle, did you know it also helps you use your energy more efficiently? By studying your usage patterns, LG ThinQ analyzes when and how often you use your refrigerator. It automatically runs the compressor in safe mode during the hours that you are less likely to use the refrigerator for optimal energy consumption. Also, you can minimize energy use even when you go on long vacations. Just switch to vacation mode on your mobile app. Should we take a look at how the ThinQ air conditioner keeps you so cool, so efficiently? ThinQ AI dual inverter has 2 engines so that when you want to change the temperature, it will adjust rapidly in high-speed cooling mode and maintain that level in power conservation mode, thus creating your optimal environment while saving 30% more in energy consumption. Optimizing energy efficiency while putting your mind at ease. With ThinQ by your side, what's there to worry about? Your life made better with LG ThinQ.